Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Friday the 12th of December. First to the synoptic map, and there are a number of weather features that we are keeping an eye on. In Western and Central Australia, we've got a number of surface troughs and also another surface trough off the east coast of New South Wales. Together, those weather systems are drawing down very warm and very moist, humid air across the country, and so it is triggering quite broad areas of thunderstorms all the way from inland parts of Western Australia and out towards eastern parts of New South Wales. And we could see severe thunderstorms across eastern parts of the country. And for more information on that, there is a dedicated severe weather update video which is available to watch now. Further south though, in Tasmania, Victoria and South Australia, this high pressure system over in the Tasman Sea is directing very warm northerly winds, so we are seeing temperatures really start to rise as we end the week. Across the rest of the country, a little bit cooler along parts of the Queensland coast and remaining unsettled across northern parts of Australia. So now a state by state look, starting off with Queensland. We will see a little bit of shower thunderstorm activity across southern inland parts of the morning. That will mostly clear before dawn, but then into the afternoon we'll see further showers and thunderstorms develop across most inland parts of the state, and we'll also see a few showers pushing onto coastal areas. And with that cloud cover along the coast, we'll see quite a contrast in temperatures from the east to the west. So along the coast, generally the high 20s up into the low 30s, but out west heatwave conditions do continue, reaching the low 40s yet again for a number of locations. So in the southeast of the state, a little bit of a milder day, 27 degrees for Brisbane, partly cloudy with a possible shower. Warmer up in Cairns, partly cloudy, a possible shower as well with a top of 32 degrees. Now to New South Wales, we'll see showers and thunderstorms across the east coast with this surface trough through here. That will become more widespread into the afternoon. We will see thunderstorms possible for most districts except the far southwest towards Broken Hill, but they will be more prevalent across eastern parts of New South Wales. We could also see some heavy falls. That includes for Sydney and the Hunter, and further north into the northern tablelands and northwestern slopes. Some of these thunderstorms could bring damaging winds as well as large hail. We could see up as much as 10 to 20 millimeters across the eastern parts of the state, and with cloud cover, temperatures will be a little bit milder than what they have been over the last few days. So for Sydney, showers and a possible storm, 24 degrees, making it the coolest capital in the country tomorrow. One better in Canberra, but still a possible shower storm with a top of 25 degrees. Now to Victoria, it will be a dry morning, but then in the afternoon, we'll see showers and thunderstorms develop across central and eastern districts. They could even push as far west for places like Geelong. With those warm northeasterly winds though, it will be quite humid, especially across central and eastern districts. So for Melbourne, it will be a dry start. We could see a rumble of thunder, but that's more likely through the eastern suburbs. And it will be hot in the north, reaching 38 degrees in Mildura. On Friday evening, we'll see quite a gusty southwesterly change push through from the west. That'll bring some relief from the heat across the far southwest of the state. But for Melbourne and other districts, we will need to wait until Saturday morning, so it will be quite a warm night on Friday night for much of the state before that cool change actually arrives. Now to Tasmania, we will see a mostly sunny and dry day across the state, temperatures reaching up to 10 degrees above average in the south of the state, so 28 degrees, quite a warm day for Hobart, the warmest day in about a week there, and also reaching the low to mid 20s across northern parts. We could see very isolated showers about the west coast ranges and maybe a possible rumble of thunder, but not expecting to see too much in the way of rainfall with that. Now moving on to South Australia, we will see this surface trough really divide the state. So ahead of this trough, we will see very hot winds pouring down across eastern districts that will really lift the temperatures up into the high 30s to even mid 40s in some areas. And then afternoon showers and thunderstorms are possible, mainly about the northeast of the state. But behind that trough, we are seeing cooler southerly winds pushing through, and that cool change will move into the Eyre Peninsula into the afternoon and evening. It will be very gusty though. That will drive extreme fire danger through the Eyre Peninsula. The cool change will reach Adelaide into the evening, so after a very hot day of 37 degrees, there is some relief on the way, particularly as we head into the weekend. Now to Western Australia, we will see showers and thunderstorms in the morning, mainly between Esperance over towards Katanning, but then into the afternoon they'll become much more widespread, extending up into the Goldfields, Gascoyne, also through the Pilbara. We could even see showers and thunderstorms extending all the way west for places like Cunderdin and York, but not expecting to see storms reach as far west as Perth. So Perth is looking at a mostly sunny day, really starting to warm up again, 35 degrees, a little bit cooler along the coast with those southerly winds, but warm to hot across the remaining parts of the state. Finally, to Northern Australia, we will see showers and thunderstorms more likely across eastern and northern parts of the Kimberley, a bit more isolated elsewhere, but heatwave conditions do continue across parts of the eastern top end, with temperatures climbing up into the low 40s for some locations and very hot across central parts of the country. That's your forecast for today. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great day.